Hello, everyone, and today we're gonna talk about a 5 minute hack to study to achieve 90 plus and to become a A plus student. So let's cut this crap and let's talk about the real topic. So today we will reveal the dopamine effect, how short-term burst of the dopamine keeps student trapped in a fake progress, and why real growth in studies doesn't happen in just 5 minutes. Let's talk about these things. So first, we're gonna talk about dopamine, how the mind trick you to make yourself to indulge in all those activities like watching YouTube, scrolling reels for hours and hours, and your mind won't be able to digest or move towards the studying part. So आज हम यही डिस्कस करेंगे. So पहला पॉइंट है, जैसे कि हम मॉर्निंग में when we wake up in the morning, what the first thing you do? Like, let's ask 100 of students, 90 plus student gonna say this thing, that the first thing in the morning they just check their social media like WhatsApp, Insta and all those things, or they are scrolling reels while in the bed. So whenever the time you gonna wake up like 7 8 a.m. in the morning or 5:30, पहला रश क्या है, आप जैसे ही इस स्क्रीन टाइम हिट करते हो, जैसे आप आपने अपना फ़ोन पिक किया, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू जस्ट वॉच और स्क्रॉल द रील्स. तो सबसे ज़्यादा हाई पीक डोपामिन इफेक्ट करता है उस टाइम पे. वेदर यू डू इट फॉर द 10 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट्स और 15 मिनट्स, आपने जितना भी किया डजंट मैटर, आपका डोपामिन रश बॉडी में हिट किया, योर माइंड इज सुपरली एक्टिव इन द मॉर्निंग. अब जैसे ही आपने हाफ एन आवर, 1 आवर या 50 मिनट्स, 20 मिनट जो भी किया, आपका माइंड उधर डाइवर्ट गया. उसके बाद में आपने जैसे ही स्टार्ट किया पढ़ना, और यू डू योर ऑल द स्टफ, यू bathe, you eat your breakfast and everything. After that you start studying around, let's suppose 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock, it's all depend on you, doesn't matter the timeline. आपने इतने बजे पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया, जैसे ही आपने स्टार्ट किया, your energy will be down. Look, here is the graph. Your energy will be down, and within 15 to 20 minutes you start getting frustrated about the stuff, like you can't focus on the stuff right now, or any reactions formula or any history context, you will not relate towards that. After 15 to 20 minutes you will get frustrated and switch towards different things, like you again start scrolling the screen and every other thing, or you do start watching TV or binge watching anything. Again your dopamine will rush towards higher peak. यहाँ क्या है, ब्रेन आपको ट्रिक कर रहा है. जैसे ही ब्रेन को डोपामिन रश मिलता है, वो अपने आप को और मोटिवेटेड और उस साइड में रिलैक्स करके उसी वे में आपको उस साइड में स्ट्रेच करना चाहता है. अगर आप स्टडी कर रहे हो, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट थिंग. अगर आपने डोपामिन रश उस स्टडी से पहले अचीव कर लिया है, उसके बाद में whether you do anything you can't able to focus on the studies because your dopamine rush already peaked there. After that, when it fall down and you take your books and you start reading, or you start grasping anything, you won't be able to. Maximum you can do for 15 to 20 minutes, that's it. After that you start getting frustrated again and again. आपने वापस स्टडीज को छोड़ा कि आपसे नहीं हो रहा है, फिर आपने वापस डोपामिन का पुश किया. क्यों? आपने अपने फ़ोन उठाया, यू जस्ट स्टार्ट टेक्सटिंग समबडी और एनीथिंग एल्स, डोपामिन रश वापस हुआ. इन बिटवीन अगर आपने लंच किया, ब्रेकफास्ट किया है, लंच किया है, व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स डू मोस्टली, हाई शुगर breakfast or lunch, like carbs, mostly carbs and sugar, they are of high concentration in your food. सबसे प्रॉब्लम वाली बात यही है कि तुम्हारे फूड में हाई कार्ब्स और शुगर है. कट दोस थिंग. I know it's gonna be difficult, but you have just cut those things. After having high sugar and carbs, again your dopamine will hit. क्यों? बॉडी को अचानक से एनर्जी मिली है and you are watching your TV and everything. After that you start, देखने के बाद में आप वापस बैठते हो पढ़ने के लिए, तो आपका डोपामिन वापस गिर जाता है. You won't be able to concentrate. धीरे धीरे शाम होती है, you went out with your friends or anything else, your dopamine will again rush. When you come back home, you had the dinner, and after dinner many of the students think about, let's watch something in the night, and they again, before sleeping, they again start scrolling or watching reels, and their dopamine again hit at the peak. So on the peak dopamines, students are doing what? They are just watching, or they are scrolling, or they are texting, or anything. stuff like that. So अगर आप वही कर रहे हो, you won't be able to concentrate on your study. And the day end, as the day end, in the night, your dopamine fall again. Same thing, अगर आप next morning same आप वापस repeat कर रहे हो, same thing, same cycle gonna follow. So let's do one thing. What I have done in my life, मैंने अपने आप को सोचा like what I am doing this to crack any exam, to become a student from 60 to 80 to 90. You won't be able to become a student from directly from 60 to 99 in within 5 minutes. That's a bullshit. Nothing gonna happen by these things. This is not a 5-minute trick or anything. You have to manipulate your mind to able to perform all these things. So let me tell you my schedules. Let's suppose I wake up around 6 o'clock, around 6 a.m. The first thing I'm gonna do is go and take a shower, freshen up and take a shower. My body hit by the water. There's a sensation. There's a thing, your body wake up by the water droplets and everything. So the first thing, your dopamine not gonna be peak here. You have a normal day. I usually take a very light breakfast, and because of that there is a no carbs around 7:30, or so that around 7:30 I take a very minimal breakfast. Just fool your mind. That's the best thing you can do. Your mind have always gonna restrict about many things, but you have to fool your mind. So the first around 7:30 I take my breakfast, very low carb, low sugary. After that around 8:30 I start studying, and slowly my dopamine will kick, and here I can focus. The maximum you focus on anything, you're gonna grasp that topic within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. That's a full proof fact. If you're focusing on anything and your mind is fully focused on that thing, on that material or any paragraph, you're gonna grasp that thing. For example, you have any formula. For example, you are studying for physics, you have formulas which you won't able to memorize for many weeks. But if you are fully focused and low carb diet, low sugary diet, all the mind focuses on that formula only. And if you try to grasp at that moment, you will get it. Around 8:30 to 2 o'clock, I study. It's not like that I study for continuous 5-6 hours. No, just take a 15-20 minutes break. Just stretch your body and do some exercise or anything. Doesn't matter. Just do your stuff. But you don't have to put your phone screen ahead of you. That's a simple formula. I know it's gonna be tough, but you don't have to put your screen. After that, I take a break, a small break. Like I had a lunch, which is a little bit carbs because it is important. Just don't avoid fully. I take a little bit carbs, much protein, take liquids with that, and from that points like 2:30 I had a lunch. After that I move towards the studies, my dopamine peak, and after studying I take a break around 8:30 p.m. I take a break, and in which I binge watch, I go out with my friends, I watch, talk, and I do everything. It's not like I don't use screen or anything, I do. And at the end, when the dopamine about to flush, about to peak, you again start watching your YouTube, only study related YouTube videos or your study material, what you have learned your whole day. Just revise this thing. Here, revise. When you revise at the night, it's gonna stay in your mind. So first and last thing, it's like you have to trick your mind into, it's gonna take few days. For example, day 1, on the first day, mind gonna restrict for everything. For example, if you are taking sugary diet, your mind will not accept it. Like low sugar diet, your mind will not accept it because it is habitual of taking that much sugar, and you will feel like, no, just take one more bread or one more anything, and whatever you eat that amount. When you start to take low carb, again your mind gonna restrict. Whatever your mind do, please make your mind full for everything. When you start studying, when you stop scrolling in the morning, your mind push your body or your internal to take the phone and check, like maybe somebody messaged you, maybe there's something new in the online platform or anything, you won't be able to do that thing. Secondly, your mind always push you towards easy task. That's the most important thing. Day second, you have to restrict your mind to do that. Day second, it will take 3 4 after 7 days, your mind will start accepting it. Okay, I have to do these things. Okay, I have to wake up early in the morning, I don't have to watch the screen, and all those things, your mind start to accept it. It's not like you are fully developed. No, it's not a 5-minute hack. You have to make yourself disciplined. After day 20, maybe, it's all depend on the person. There's a saying, after day 21 you're gonna be addicted with that thing you are continuously doing for the 21 days. No, it's not like that. For me, it's gonna take it took 35 days. So it's all depend on the person to build a habit about regarding anything, whether you are an athlete, whether you are a student studying, anybody. You have to be first and last disciplined. You have to be disciplined in whatever you are doing, whether you like it, whether you have energy, whether you are not having energy, anything. You have to be disciplined to do, to achieve anything. So that's it for the today's video. And if you want to improve your thing, if you improve in anybody, like, there's a quote, there's a saying, not a quote, I watched Ronaldo interview in which he said stuff like, I will tell you how to become Ronaldo. Like, I will literally tell you, but you won't be able to. 99% of the population won't be able to do that thing, because he knows only one thing, that is hard work. And he quoted discipline and hard work. If you are disciplined for anything, you're gonna achieve it. So that's it. You have to become disciplined in whatever you are doing it. So thank you.